POV. When you draw a master POV, after I draw like a boat when the teacher says, everyone else, bro, that boat sucks, you draw a better one. And then the literal teacher's drawing, please like, that took forever to draw. And then the teacher's drawing be like, right, so you need to draw a boat, so yeah, don't mind me just then yeah, just no boop, oh boop, go away. And then we need a now skirt, don't like you. There you go, guys. That's how you do a boat. Yeah, literally, that is true. And if you agree with me, please comment. Bye. Oh yeah, I also, when I just checked my subscribers, I now have 12. Thank you for everyone who subscribed to me, even that person when I used to have 11 and now 12. That person that got me 12 subscribers, thank you. And everyone else who got me through all those subscribers, thank you. Thank you. Bye. See you soon.